Hello art lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to design your diary or a notebook. For this you need a diary or a notebook, some paint brushes and acrylic paints. First of all, choose a design you want to make and trace it on your diary using a pencil or a CD marker. My favorite cartoon character is Mickey Mouse, so today I am making Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Donald Duck and Daisy Duck. So now that our drawing is completed, it's time to paint. Some key points which you need to keep in mind while painting. The first one is choose your colors and brushes wisely because the choice of your color affects the quality of your drawing. I have used Fevicryl acrylic paints. They're affordable and super easy to use, but you can choose your own brand of products as per your needs. The second tip is cover your floor and other furniture while painting. It is important to prevent your furniture from damaging. For this you can use a cloth, tissue papers or a newspaper. I have used tissue papers in this particular artwork. You should be very careful while painting and you should try to paint neatly. So with this we complete our painting part and now we will make outlines. Outlines are the foundation upon which your drawing is built. Not all drawings uses outline, but I prefer you to use it for this one. A final outline can help you get the proportions right and make your drawing more attractive. So be careful while using outlines and spend the right amount of time in making them. And with this, your DIY art diary is ready. You can check other DIY art tutorials on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. Thank you.